Knowing the red lines, the things a bank will never do, is the easiest way to stop a scam in its tracks. Let's be very clear about this. Your bank will never ask for your PIN. Not over the phone, not in an email, not in a text. They will never ask for your online banking password. And they will never ask for those one-time verification codes. Another huge red flag: pressure. If someone is telling you that you must act right now or you'll lose everything, that's not a bank, that's a scam. Banks don't use scare tactics. So, if someone asks for sensitive info, pause, end the conversation. Call your bank directly using a number you actually trust. At the end of the day, protecting your information is the only way to protect your money.